Okay, so in this video what we are seeing like how we can do texture painting. Okay, so whenever you are doing texture painting, the one thing you should keep it in mind is like any object. Right now this wooden stool is there. Okay, so for this wooden stool we are doing texture painting, so you should not have any modifier. Okay, so if you have any modifier, if you want that modifier, then you can apply those modifier, okay, before going to texture painting. If you don't want, then you can delete this one. So right now whatever I have, this wooden stool has two things. One is auto smooth and weighted normal. So what I will do, I will just apply this one as it is. Okay, then I will apply this one as well. Now in my modifier tab, for this particular wooden stool I don't have anything. Now we are good to go. Now after that what I will do, I will just go to UV editing. So at that time you can see whatever wooden stool I have, for that already I have UV mapping here. Okay, you can see in UV maps I have UV map, so you can see that UV map here as well. Okay, so one more thing you should keep it in mind, while you are doing texture painting you need two important things. Okay, one is texture and one more is UV map. Okay, so right now you can see UV map already there. Now we need texture, and you can see the texture also already, one texture is already added. Okay, so if I go to texture paint, so my object is here. Okay, you can see the texture is also present here. Okay, properly it is added. One more thing, you can see whatever options we have it in our vertex paint, same tools you can see here as well. So it is present. Okay, all those tools are present here as well. So same thing goes for our texture paint also, like in vertex the same thing it happens here as well. As we checked, like in order to change the radius and all, we used to have F. If you click F here, like you can adjust it, and left click. Okay, and if you want to set the strength, then shift F. Okay, and left click, and that way you can radius and strength you can adjust. Okay, what I will do, let me decrease the radius from here and I will increase the strength as well. Let me change the color, some color like this. Okay, I will show you how to paint it, and let me decrease little bit here. Okay, you can see I'm adding the textures. Okay, so it is painting here. See, on top of it is painted. Let me undo the things for now. So in order to get whatever tools, see these tools are here, right? So this one you will get here also. Okay, or else hit N, and at that time you will see the tools here as well. So anything you can use. Right now I'm not using this sidebar. Let me hit N again, and you can see right now I chose the draw. Okay, that's why whatever related to draw you can see here. If I select something soften, okay, so it will show all the soften related settings here. If you go again different, it will show here. So that is how it is. Let me select this object. The object is selected. I will go to material. See, this particular material is assigned here. Okay, what I will do, let me remove this one. So at that time you can see the material is removed. You can do like this, or else what you can do, you can go to shading here. Okay, and I will remove it from here. So the entire things I will remove like this. In this way I can remove. Okay, so I just remove the textures. And one more thing what I will do right now, see in this particular object one material is added, right? So let me remove that one. So by removing it you can see the pink color it came, right? So nothing is there. And if I try to paint right now, you can see the below it is showing missing material. So in order to apply any texture you need material, But without material can we do or not? Yes, we can do.